Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You're starting right now. Open Notes or Mail and tap a text field to summon the keyboard. Once the keyboard appears, press and hold the keyboard icon in the bottom right corner. That reveals docking choices. You want to select Dock or Dock and Merge. This snaps the keyboard back to the bottom. Make sure your fingers are steady, because a short press won't show the menu, a firm press and hold does. This step fixes most floating keyboard cases immediately, so proceed to the detailed adjustments next. Now fine-tune the position. If the keyboard remains floating, grab the small gray bar or handle at its top and drag the keyboard straight down until it snaps to the bottom. Once it docks, retrace to the keyboard icon menu and reselect Dock to ensure it stays anchored. If the keyboard drifts again, close the app and reopen it, because a minor app glitch can preserve the floating state. After that, check in different apps to confirm the keyboard behavior is consistent across the system. To finish, reboot your iPad, power it off and on, to clear transient system states that block docking. If the problem persists, inspect Settings, General, Keyboard for any third-party keyboard or accessibility options causing the float. Disable those and retry docking. Once done, verify the docked keyboard in multiple apps. Troubleshooting tip. If docking still fails, reset keyboard settings or perform a full settings reset. This often removes corrupted preferences that keep the keyboard floating.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.